Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Workspace affiliate program, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for the Google Workspace affiliate program, begin by visiting the Google Workspace affiliate website. Look for the option to sign up or join the program. Click on the registration link to start the application process. You'll need to create a Google account if you don't already have one. Fill in your personal and business details on the registration form. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid delays in approval. Once you complete the form, review your entries for any errors. Submit the registration form to proceed. Expect a confirmation email from Google regarding your application status. Check your inbox for this email and follow any instructions provided. If approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Log into your affiliate dashboard using your Google account credentials. Explore the available marketing materials and resources provided. Familiarize yourself with the commission structure and payment options. Start creating your affiliate links to promote Google Workspace services. Share these links on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Monitor your performance through the dashboard to track clicks and conversions. Stay updated on program guidelines and changes through your affiliate account. Engage with the affiliate community for tips and support. With dedication and effort, you can maximize your earnings with the Google Workspace affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.